Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Calendar to Waze so your scheduled events automatically appear for navigation. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the map screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the settings icon. Inside Settings, look for an option called Calendar, Planned Drives, or Drive Reminders, depending on your app version. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option to connect your calendar. Tap on Connect Calendar and choose Google Calendar. Waze will ask for permission to access your calendar. Allow the permission so it can read your event locations. Once connected, Waze will automatically show upcoming trips based on your calendar events that have addresses. When it's time to leave, Waze may send you a reminder and suggest the best route. If you ever want to disconnect Google Calendar, you can come back to this section and turn it off. That's how you add Google Calendar to Waze in a simple way. If you found this tutorial useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Waze guides. Thanks for watching.